English practice makes perfect. Kitchen vocabulary. Gadgets and utensils. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. Peeler. Peeler. Garlic press. Garlic press. Grater. Grater. Cheese slicer. Cheese slicer. Potato masher. Potato masher. Meat thermometer. Meat thermometer. Digital scale. Digital scale. Can opener. Can opener. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. Nutcracker. Nutcracker. Herb scissors. Herb scissors. Kitchen shears. Kitchen shears. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Tongs. Tongs. Ladle. Ladle. Slotted spoon. Slotted spoon. Mesh strainer. Mesh strainer. Spatula. Spatula. Rubber spatula. Rubber spatula. Pasta spoon. Pasta spoon. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. Honey dipper. Honey dipper. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Lemon zester. Lemon zester. Apple corer and slicer. Apple corer and slicer. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Colander. Colander. Cooling rack. Cooling rack. Silicone baking mat. Silicone baking mat. Storage container. Storage container. Gas lighter. Gas lighter. Whisk. Whisk. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Frying pan. Frying pan. pot, pot. Mixing bowl, mixing bowl. Ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop. Scoop, scoop. Cutting board, cutting board. Bread knife, bread knife. Cleaver, cleaver. Two-prong fork, two-prong fork. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Spoon, spoon. Utensils, utensils. Coaster, coaster. Baking pan, baking pan. Cupcake pan, cupcake pan. Ice cube tray, ice cube tray. Butter dish, butter dish. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Pepper grinder, pepper grinder. Salt and pepper shakers, salt and pepper shakers. Spice rack, spice rack. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Tea-ball infuser, tea-ball infuser. Bag clip, bag clip. Subscribe for more English practice. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.